Hey moms, do you want to know the number one tip that helps me be a really good spouse by the end of the day when I'm just dying? Stick around to the very end of this video. I can't wait to share with you my secret. Hi, I'm Roxy Saran with doTERRA Essential Oils. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm just working out in the yard, and you know what? Just a few days ago, I was cleaning up the yard and some storm came through and now we have more work to do. Isn't that always the life of a mom? For sure. Today I want to talk to you about how to have more energy. I wish I had the energy that I used to have when I was a kid, right? Our kids have endless energy. Well, let me tell you a few of the tips that have been pivotal for me as I am getting older and how to keep up with my young children. All right, so one of the first things that has been a huge game changer for me is the doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack. Now, the Lifelong Vitality Pack are the key nutrients and ingredients that we need to give our body everything that it needs to function more efficiently. And don't worry, if you're not such a young mom anymore, maybe you're an older lady, that's okay. Lifelong Vitality Pack is for everybody. Even my teens take it, even my parents and my in-laws. It's great for men and women and children. It has 3 components. One of them is a whole food-based nutrition. That means that your body knows exactly what to do with it and assimilate it as food. Just like when you eat broccoli, your body knows that it needs those nutrients and it feeds it all over your body to all of the different cell functions. So that's exactly what you're getting when you're getting doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack. You're getting bioavailable nutrition that your cells can recognize and use right away for energy. So number one thing that I use for energy is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. The second component is omegas. You have plant and marine omegas that help with joint function, brain, and all of those different functions for our body. And also you have 9 different essential oils infused directly into the supplements. So you're getting all of the foundational for inflammation and immunity and also cardiovascular health, brain health, all of that in that little pack. So I love that. And then the last one is antioxidant stress. It helps your body handle the way it comes in contact with stressors, and it helps you look younger from the inside out. So number one product from doTERRA is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. For me, that is huge that the company stands behind this number one product. It's the number one product and also the number one reordered product, because once you try it for 30 days, I'm almost 100% sure you're absolutely going to love it. On our team, we have a team of over 12,000 people all over the world. Only 2 people have ever returned the Lifelong Vitality Pack because you're going to have a great result with it. So you definitely want to check that out. But then when we switch gears to the essential oils, there are 4 essential oils that I think are absolutely pivotal and game changers for me. Peppermint is the first one. Peppermint gives you a natural energy boost. You can just put a drop on the palm of your hands just like that, rub together, and breathe in. Okay, so before I do any gardening or working out, anything like that, you can just breathe it in, put it topically where you're going to be working out. Maybe you're going to have some sore wrists from gardening or exercising, anything like that. It's going to help naturally boost your energy levels. Another tip, especially for moms, is lemon or wild orange. I love pairing those together with the peppermint. They blend very well together. So maybe even in a diffuser, or again, topically on your hands, and breathe it in, putting them on. You can put them in a drop of your afternoon cup of tea or even in your coffee, and it gives you that little extra boost to help you go throughout your day. So I love those. They make me really happy as well, plus giving me that extra energy, especially in the afternoon when you feel a little bit sluggish. Maybe you want to reach for that candy bar or some sort of calories to give you that energy boost. So I love the lemon, wild orange, or peppermint together in a diffuser or topically. It just is a easy, natural thing you can do to give you that natural energy boost that you don't have to seek getting that from calories. Okay, and then for the powerhouse is frankincense. Frankincense essential oil is so easy to help with fatigue. So if you're dealing with that, moms, especially in the afternoon, maybe you've got a young baby that's not sleeping well at night and the day drags on and you're just like, man, I don't know. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. Again, Lifelong Vitality Pack, but also frankincense. So one thing that you can do is just drop frankincense 2 to 3 drops directly under your tongue when you're feeling really tired. Easy to do, just like this. There you go. Boom. Done. If you're not comfortable just pouring it down your throat, you can put it on your hand and lick a drop. That's a little more controlled way to do it. But I love frankincense. Remember, if you're new to essential oils, you want to go back, and we'll link that video above for you where we talked about the top things you can do with frankincense. So you might be using it for energy and fatigue, but it does 80 or 90 different other things in your body. Frankincense is such an amazing oil. It helps me keep up with my kiddos and also helps with my brain health, which we need that as well. Okay, and then lastly, but not least, is Mito 2 Max. So Mito 2 Max is a natural energy and stamina complex. I love that you can customize this when you're purchasing your Lifelong Vitality Pack. You can customize by adding on up to 3 additional items at a discounted price from doTERRA. I love that they do that because Mito 2 Max is normally a lot more, but when you buy it with the Lifelong Vitality Pack, it's considerably less. So Mito 2 Max Natural Energy Complex, without any caffeine, without any jitters. It has been clinically proven to help with oxygenation and also stimulating blood flow to your brain and also extremities. So if you've got something that you need to be doing where you really need to be focused and concentration, or also something really with your hands, dexterity, you want to take your Mito 2 Max 20 to 30 minutes before that particular activity. You can take 1 to 2. I don't take them every day, but because of the Lifelong Vitality Pack, I have tons of energy. But on the days that maybe I didn't get enough sleep, or I know I have a lot of things to do, then I will take 1 or 2 depending on how I feel. Make sure, here's the thing, make sure you don't take these too late in the afternoon, all right? I don't ever take them before 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon because it gives you so much of a natural, stable energy boost that it is challenging to slow down at the end of the night if you take too late. All right, so this is one of the tips, moms, especially nighttime when we get to our time with our spouse. We're really tired by the end of the day. If you want to be a good spouse and be there for your honey by the end of the night and save some activity and time for your spouse, Mito 2 Max at 3 or 4 o'clock. You're welcome. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found it super exciting and helpful to take a peek into the world of essential oils. As always, we appreciate your comments and feedback. Be sure to comment below and let us know what was your favorite part of this video. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, you don't want to miss our next video.